Alrighty, we're gonna do a little back testing and small weekly outlook. Let's start with the weekly outlook. Let's start off on the daily. So last week was very bullish. We left in the week opening gap, which we ended up filling on ES, but we didn't fill on NQ, or even really get close to filling on NQ. So yeah, on Friday we dumped off typical TGIF. You expect the Friday to be a reversal of the weekly trend. So we saw a little dig deep into here. So now we have a new end walk, which is this orange rectangle I have marked out. So I would expect this to get dug into, and then we'll see kind of what happens. But at all-time highs, it's wise to honestly lean bullish, but there are a lot of targets to the downside, so we're definitely not going to be shying away from any bear setups if we have some bearish days. So yeah, honestly, I would say my bias is pretty neutral. I feel like there's a lot of PD arrays that NQ needs to fill. ES is showing a little more. I wouldn't say either of them are showing crazy strength to the downside, but just something we'll watch and see. But never afraid of longing to all-time highs either. Just gotta look at the higher time frames. And yeah, we have so all these previous day highs, previous week lows are important, but we do have this SMT at the lows out of this 4-hour gap on NQ. So this could mean we may just keep seeking higher price action. If you go to Forex Factory, we have a lot of news this week. We have a lot of news. I think every single day we have red folder. Monday we have 10 a.m. ISM, so I'll be waiting until 10 a.m. Let that news come through, see what we do. Tuesday we have Jolt's job openings. Tentative, so we'll just see if that happens or not. I'm not sure what time. Wednesday, probably gonna trade both days. Wednesday, non-farm employment and PMI at 10, so probably be waiting until 10 again. See what happens that day. Thursday we have unemployment claims, which are tentative. We'll just have to see if that comes up or not. And then Friday is going to be huge. We have unemployment change, unemployment rate coming out at 8:30, and then we also have all these tentative red folders, which you could expect some of them to get released. But we'll just have to see what happens, in the world and this coming week. But honestly, the news will tell us a lot. It'll give us narratives for the days and more. So we'll just see, man. But very close to passing this set of 3 accounts, so just gonna take it small, take our time, and de-risk on Monday, Friday, typical deal. But yeah, let's get into some back testing. Honestly, I'm gonna go trade. So just recently switched over to this platform from FX Replay, and honestly, TradeZilla does it better, man. I'm not gonna lie. And it allows you to upload all of your trades and journal them and kind of look at your executions a lot better. So we're gonna work on this bottom taking account we have here. Been kind of popping off on this shit, not gonna lie. But, I'm gonna go to daily. Gotta get to 9:30. Yeah, this shit was just hella valid. Gets rotating, and I don't know why it shows UTC -5, but this is normal New York time. Should be UTC -4, but it's glitching. Gonna get rid of these. Imagine. It's PDRs. Got our levels marked out. So we actually do have an SMT at these lows, so I'm expecting higher targets today. Daily SMT. ES took out this low, but NQ did not. 4 hour. 4 hour. Any significant PD raise looks like we're reacting out as order like not seeing much of people highs, which could be clean. Yeah, strong rejection which I guess I'll mark that out just oops, to see nothing on 4 hour. Just going on there. Just trying out this fucking light today, guys, but it's kind of fucking really bright, so if I look like I'm tweaking, I am. Low 1 hour reacting out if I like that. Then the SMT as well. Mark this one out. Oh, wait. Yep. Alright, so we're looking bullish. Looking pretty fucking bullish charts. Pretty fucking bullish. Got into members that 15 minute. ES is kind of fucking around. So we got this 1 hour above, which maybe ES is kind of reacting out. But I'm not really seeing any SMT. Yeah, we're looking for fucking buys here. Alright. Didn't mean to do that. Looking for buys. See what we get. If it just runs like, oh well. Alright. I'm not gonna try to get in here and then fucking sell myself, but yeah, target's upside for sure. Let me see. On 1.5. Good set. Really didn't get any drawdown. I like it. That stop loss was hella fat, but didn't really need it. Only went in about 20 points, less than 20 points to draw down. And, yep, gap. Daily gap. Come on now. It's bread and butter right there. This account's going crazy right now. Honestly, see 10 a.m. Getting greedy for trades here, but may as well, right? Because we know what the draw's looking like. Alright, so we're gonna look for 15-minute gap to get retraced into for our PO3. If we don't get that, then I'm not really gonna bother. Today is Tuesday, so I feel like there should be some volatility. We'll get it down. So 5 minute on could take a 5 minute too. We will take a 5 minute, but alright, there's some levels. Could just easily run. 5-minute gap. Gap CISD. Honestly, you gotta take this. You gotta take this with honestly your stop on the speed right there. 410. Just 1-1, you gotta break even. AT killed this shit. Break even. And you just want to see those eyes. But this is this rejection with this daily block, so I'm not opposed to kind of scaling out here. SMT, I'm just gonna take shots, yeah. I mean, it's gonna dump again though. Yeah, we saw this dump coming. We're still on SMT, but I just went break even like twice, so it's fine. We're just gonna call it at this point. But honestly, I've seen this too many times, guys. Right here, swing you long at equilibrium. Now you're looking at these standard deviations, so we're honestly going to close 50, put your stop loss trailed and profit. I feel like we can reach 3.54. Alright, CE and a TPSC at this gap. It's about 4. Honestly, just do 3.5. I do this shit, boy. Fucking do this shit, boy. 3 dubs or something. Hold up. It's fucking nice. Alright. Everything was bullish today. And we caught some, kind of caught some shorts. I think I went break even on shorts, but stay the gap is important. I care too much for it at this point. So just go to the next day. 9:30. So we ran through that daily gap. Now we've got these daily highs, so GS is already above. Thank you's not. Oops. So we're gonna be looking for that. It's very bullish today. The longs could make sense, but you gotta make sure that the lower time frames are aligning with that idea. 4-hour gap looks promising. Reacting on this 4-hour gap done. So we have quite a few unmitigated 4-hour gaps. I look pretty fucking polished, dude, but let's see what it's doing. Okay. So we see an SMT on the hourly. Which doesn't mean that the entire day is going to be bearish, but could indicate we see some shorter time frame bearish movement. 15, and that just run the 1 minute. Alright, yeah, 15-minute version. This S&T. I mean, technically we're S&T within this. Look at the news real quick. No crazy news, so we're chilling. Alright. And S&T out of place. Yeah, long stick look promising. It's this level again. I think this is all time highs. Already made a bank on the week, so it takes all time highs. Yeah, we'll see. This is for. We're gonna try a little. I'm gonna try a little something like that. Alright, let's take QTP. That's tough. Alright, so that warrants a TP. Yeah, I was looking way too bullish for my liking. S&T off that. We can take control. Well, we take a dub. Bigger bed. Had a threesome with 2 fouls. I need a better bed. A bigger bed. My bad, y'all. Listening to Rio the Young OG, but I don't think it captures the audio, so you guys can't be blessed by the same audio. Alright, so we gotta go to the next stage. Fuck. Wrong one. Alright, 9:30. My music isn't playing here. What is this music playing off? I see. Alright, let's keep it going. Can get probably 2 more trades in. Daily. I mean, all-time highs, baby. Yeah, we get some Peter races that we can rebalance into. That's what we're looking for today. Peter race we can rebalance into. That one looks promising. So overnight's running bullish. It's not really a new day opening gap either. So we've ran up, like, yeah. We're looking for any sort of retrace. I mean, that looks pretty low resistance. So, could get ran. That 15-minute area looks clean. Low SMT here. Thought we're bullish. We're bullish. You gotta try this. Yeah, you definitely gotta try this long here. Literally just gonna put the stop at the bottom of this 5. 60 points. Whoa. Nah, hold up. Stop. Stop's below the 5. What are you talking about? Right? My stop. Alright, that's crazy if you really. We're gonna count that, y'all. Not gonna lie. That's what I'm talking about. My draws, there are no draws to the upside, that's the thing. But I'll take half and let this run. Let it run all day. As long as we don't see SMT. We see SMT here. He's afraid of what he'll find. Look into his eyes. Can you read between the lines? This account's going ballistic. Just look for a higher time frame. Kind of SMT manipulation to project the standard deviation for my final target. Very same here. SMT, so I'll take this, I will take this to this. I mean, it kind of is time sensitive, but okay. Let me TP, bro. I'm TP right here at 4. Stopping profit. Alright. I got want to make sure that this is within the day, right? I mean, that's TP, baby. Oh my god, right at the fucking buzzer beater, baby. Fucking buzzer beater TP. Holy shit. That was an immaculate long piece from, what does that say? 097. Risk here. And we hit our fucking full TP, 157 points. I mean, that's a great trade. Journal. Overnight ran extremely high. Looking for longs. Simple. Looking for longs. 9:30 ran and we waited for manipulation. Sorry, I'm Friday. What? What chat? No, we're not in reading mode. We're not looking for. We wait for manipulation into EQ of leg with body FG. I think so. It does. Alright, so I'm gonna conclude it there. Hopefully, I don't know. Let me know in the comments if my back testing makes any sense, but you guys can see I'm ripping trades, and yeah, so pretty neutral for the week of November 3rd to November 7th, but we got this bullish S&T here on the 4-hour, which is probably going to guide. It's already guided this bullish NWALK, but we want to see NWALK get touched. We do have a lot of draws to the downside, but if we're running bullish overnight, man, probably want to go into New York session fucking bullish, All right, y'all. Parents are calling me, so I'm gonna leave it there. Thank you. Have a good one. Stay safe.